Congratulations! You're on your way to living life without leaks in just 12 weeks. We'll show you how to get started using your INNOVO in this short tutorial video. Included with your INNOVO is an INNOVO controller, charger, INNOVO shorts, spray, INNOVO cable, neck strap, instruction manual. Prior to treatment, always use the restroom and empty your bladder. Before you start using INNOVO, please ensure the battery is charged. Slide doors to closed position, then insert charger into port. Once the charger is fully drained, it will take 5 hours to fully charge. Turn the shorts inside out so the electrodes are visible. Hung shorts up prior to using the spray. Remove the cap from the spray bottle. Hold the bottle 6 to 8 inches from the shorts. Thoroughly coat each panel with at least 3 sprays to ensure even coverage. Make sure to spray all 8 electrodes. Please note that the shorts will be damp. Reverse the shorts so the electrode panels are on the inside. In order for the shorts to work, you will need to wear thong underwear or no underwear with INNOVO. Pull on the shorts until the waistband is sitting comfortably above your hips. The red and blue connectors should be to the front, with the wash label to the rear. When putting the shorts on, be sure not to pull directly on the cables or roll the waistband out. It is also recommended that the shorts aren't pulled from the bottom of the connectors. Ensure the whole surface of each electrode is in full contact with your skin. Connect both ends of red cables together. Then connect both ends of blue cables together. You will hear the cables click together when securely connected. Then proceed to connect the cable to the controller. You may need to slide the doors open. Choose whether you will carry out your session in the standing, lying position. For best results, we recommend you use INNOVO in the standing position. When in position, turn on the controller by pressing the power button. Press the plus button to start your 30-minute session and increase the intensity. Refer to the size and intensity chart in the Quick Start Guide to know which level of intensity to select. As you increase the intensity on the controller, you will start to feel your pelvic floor contracting. With an effective pelvic floor contraction, you will feel a sensation of squeezing, lifting up between your legs. As you start to get used to INNOVO, you can increase the intensity week after week as you become more comfortable. A convenient neck strap is included if you would like to be hands-free during your treatment. If you need to move during your treatment, pause the treatment by pressing the on/off button briefly. The pause symbol will appear on the screen. After your session, press the on or off button for 2 seconds to switch the controller off. Remove the cables from their sockets. If the shorts are damp, use a cloth to wipe them dry. Proceed to remove the shorts by pulling the waistband down. You'll notice the shorts will be inside out when they are removed. While the shorts are inside out, fold the shorts as such, ensuring the electrodes remain flat. Store the product for your next treatment session. Thank you for watching our tutorial. Strengthening your pelvic floor has never been so easy. If you need additional support, email us at info@meinnovo.com.